the most powerful, advanced law of attraction technique to attract every single thing that you want in 2018 that nobody seems to be talking about. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive in how to attract what you want in a way that you never really considered before. See you on the inside. Number one, it's okay to be jealous. Sounds kind of weird. So I was sitting with John Gray, the author of Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. One of it sold, tens of millions of copies. And I asked him for advice. This was like 4 years ago. And he said, hey, here's my piece of advice. If you see somebody else with success, it's okay for a second to feel that jealousy or to feel that dissatisfaction about where you are. Allow yourself to feel that so you can clear that out of your energy so that you can use that as motivation. And what happens often is that we beat ourselves up about feeling that way. And it made a lot of sense to me. Like, it's okay to not feel awesome at every second and not feel totally satisfied with where you are. In fact, Napoleon Hill talks about inspiration through dissatisfaction. And when you see somebody that has something that you want, I always talk about bless the things that you want. But it might take you a minute to get there. Blessing the things that you want means if somebody has some awesome house, some awesome job, there's some great relationship, perfect health, and you feel almost jealous of it, do your best to try to bless them. Like, hey, I'm inspired by you. It shows that I can create this in my life. Whether you actually tell them that or you keep that to yourself is irrelevant, but it's the essence of the energy that you're outputting. But it may take a minute to get there, right? Where it's like, man, I wish I had that. And that's okay. Allow yourself to want the thing. Allow yourself to want it. The reason the law of attraction doesn't work so often is we don't allow ourselves to want things truly and feel the emotion that comes with not having that in our life or not being all that we can be. And when we embrace that emotion instead of hide from it, we open up so much more energy, creative energy, to create and attract what we want in our lives. Number two, recognize that you're actually already one with everything. There's no such thing as matter. Crazy, there's no such thing as matter. The physical world, the wall, the lights, the camera, if you look under a powerful enough microscope, it is not a solid object. It's not a solid object. It's just energy moving at a very high speed of vibration, different frequencies of energy. In the same way that 88.9 AM radio station and 102.1 AM, what's the difference? Well, it's all different. It's all sound, right? It's sound. 88.9 is sound and 102.1 is sound. But it's different frequencies of sound energy. Similarly, the wall, my body, your computer or your phone, your house, your life circumstances, it's all energy. It's all consciousness. It's all universal energy. It's all that one source, God, love, universe, spirit, energy, consciousness, whatever you want to call it. It's just in different forms of individualizations, different forms of energy, different frequencies and rates of vibration. But it's all the same substance. So when you understand that and you truly grasp that, what is thought? Thought is that same energy form. In fact, it's one of the most powerful creative energy forms in the universe, and you can direct the energy of a thought much like you can direct the energy of a laser. If I point a laser, I can direct the laser where I want it to go. Thought is humans' versions of lasers. You can direct focused thought in order to take higher forms of energy, thought forms that you can't perceive, that you can't see, but that we can measure in the brain. When you think certain thoughts, it gives electrical impulses. Everything in the universe is energy, so your thought is an energy impulse. It's an energy frequency that you can use to affect and mold and change the outer world, which is also energy. And if that sounds crazy, Steve Jobs said, when you realize the world was built by people no smarter than you, you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. You can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. Why can you do that? Because it's all energy. It's all one universal substance, and you can affect your will through sustained focus on what you intend to manifest, assuming that that wish is already fulfilled in your head, even though your physical senses tell you that it's not a reality yet, you can change the energy of your life a lot easier than you think. You're already one with what you want to manifest. And if you don't grasp that, then you're always manifesting from a place of I'm separate from what I want. I don't have this thing. I don't have the money. I don't have the love. I really want the love. I really want the new career. I really want the new house. I really want this new health. And you're looking at yourself in a place of I am not. I am not this thing. So what is that lack? What do you attract? That same thing. But when we realize we're one with everything, you're one with everything. You have the creative power of the universe, the creative power that creates, molds, and shapes worlds within you that you can direct. Therefore, you can shape the world however you want. And any part of you that doesn't believe that is subconscious programming by our world that tries to convince us we're not good enough, we're not smart enough, we're not this enough, we're not that enough. So you can change that. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below. It'll reprogram your subconscious mind to automatically attract success, abundance, and prosperity. You start to realize that you're one with the source of all things, of all riches, of all abundance, of all love, of all health. And you put yourself in harmony, in right mind, so that you can attract what you want into your life. So this is Jake Ducey with jakeducey.com saying, embrace your desires truly and recognize, in fact, on a deeper level, you're already one with them anyways. Start assuming that and realizing that and embodying that deeper and deeper, and you're gonna see the amazing results that show up in your life because you've raised your level of awareness. You've raised your consciousness of what's truly possible. And when you do that, the results in your life change. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. So download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below. Press the subscribe button in the corner right over there. Have an amazing day and go into the world knowing that you have the power that creates, molds, and shapes worlds and all the circumstances of it. And you're going to direct your energy, your consciousness, your thought, and your mind only on what you intend to manifest, and you will soon see it in your life.